Boss, let me be honest with you. Our current uniform is very ugly. Our client could not differentiate between a management staff and the workers. He gave me that stare. Can you imagine saying that to your boss, your employer, about the current outlook of your company's clothing or even branding? Today, we're going to talk about why an employee should have an entrepreneurship skill. Lucky for me, my boss decided to listen to me. We changed our uniform. It's like a rebranding, a brand new us, a new company that our clients have never seen before. This is the reason why I believe that every employee should possess an entrepreneurship skill. It is because, number one, can you imagine if you have 50 workers, 100 workers, even 1,000 workers? They are your company's brand. They represent your company. They are the image of your company. Every time they move, every time they talk, every time they present, they represent the company. Question is that is your company? How to portray an image of yourself that represents the company? Are you going to be sloppy or are you going to be confident? Point number two, if every of your employee possess entrepreneurship mindset, they knew that every of your customers is very crucial to the success of the business. They will focus on the customers at all times. Unlike corporate leaders, they are focusing too much on their job and following rules. They may see your customers with disinterest or a problem to them. Point number three, with this entrepreneurship mindset, they now will be focusing on bringing more sales and profitability for the business. Unlike the corporate leaders, they are focusing on enriching life of their customers. Can you imagine if every employee treat the company like their own? This could only happen if the employer empower them and trust them they can deliver results. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye.